Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change font size on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to display. And display, okay, tap the advanced below. In advanced, okay, you can see the font size, okay. You'll have to do is tap the font size. And now, the font size is set and to default. And okay guys, to adjust or to change the size of your fonts, okay, you'll have to do is adjust to the left to small the font size. Or you can adjust to the right to large or largest the font size. And okay guys, I set into largest the font size of my Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed font size on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.